Hey there, Curiosity Crew. I'm Lauren, and today we are embarking on an exciting journey to ancient Mexico to look at something truly special, a fantastic fish figurine. Look at those wide open eyes. It's as if it's gazing up at the sky. And with that open mouth, it reminds me of a fish ready to catch a tasty fly by a lake. Yum. But guess what? This isn't just any fish. It's actually a container that can hold water. It has a spout in its mouth, and when you pour your liquid, it's almost like the fish is playfully spitting water. How cool is that? This amazing figurine is more than 3,000 years old. It was found in a burial at the village of Tlatilco in the Valley of Mexico. We don't have written text from the Tlatilco people, so finding figurines like this one helps us imagine their story. Even the name Tlatilco, which means place of hidden things, comes from a language called Nahuatl, but that was used way after the time of the Tlatilco people. We simply don't have enough information to know what language they spoke or even what they called themselves. Now picture this. The Tlatilco folks lived close to a big, shimmering lake filled with fish. There were lots of water birds, like ducks, who also wanted to feast on those delicious fish. The clever people at Tlatilco also made containers shaped like these birds, like this adorable duck right here. But why did they turn containers or vessels into shapes of animals like fish and ducks? We're not entirely sure if it was just to make useful things beautiful or if there was a grander plan. However, one thing is clear. The people of Tlatilco were interested in their natural surroundings. They captured the essence of their world in clay. You see, they lived during a time when people stopped wandering around for food and started farming crops like corn and squash. By staying in one place, they could grow more food and free up time to create incredible things like these cool figurines. And they didn't just craft animals. They made lots of human figurines too. To make a vessel like our fishy friend though, a skilled artist would shape it from soft clay using their hands, kind of like using Play-Doh today. After they'd shape a vessel or figurine, they'd use a flat tool to smooth out the clay as needed. Then, they'd harden the clay by firing it in a pit. They'd even use a special tool to scrape away parts to make some areas look rougher, like the fins and the belly of our fish. Notice how they stand out against the shiny, smooth body? Sometimes they'd even add a red pigment called hematite for extra color and pizzazz. Now take a good look. This fish is in astonishingly good condition, considering it's thousands of years old. Why is that? Because it was found in a burial. In fact, most of what we know about Tlatilco comes from these burials. It reminds us that we learn a lot from what people, like archaeologists, dig up from the ground, even a fish. Finding our fish vessel in a burial with other objects helps us understand that for the people of Tlatilco, it was important enough to place it underground with the passing of a family member, meaning it wouldn't be used again by anyone. If we hadn't discovered the fish vessel archaeologically, or many others for that matter, we'd know so much less about decisions people made thousands of years ago. And there you have it, a fun-filled story about an ancient fish figurine. We may not have all the answers, but archaeologists keep searching for clues to uncover the fascinating story about the Tlatilco culture. So keep your curiosity alive, explorers, and never stop uncovering the mysteries of our world.